Hello kids, in today's video we are going to learn how to write ABCD alphabets ABCD A to Z. तो सबसे पहले कलर यूज करेंगे पिंक कलर. राइटिंग A for apple, B for kids ball, C cat. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Now green color. D for dog, E elephant, F fish. D for dog, E for elephant, F fish. Now yellow color. G for girl, G for girl, letter H hen. I for ice cream, G for girl, H for hen, I for ice cream. Red color. J for jug, K for kite, L for lion. J for jug, K for kite, L for lion. Sky blue color. M for monkey, N nest. O for owl, M for monkey, N for nest. O for owl. Now brown color. P for parrot, Q queen, R for rose. P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose. R for rose. Now orange color. S for ship, T tiger, U umbrella. S for ship, T for tiger, U umbrella. Purple color. V for van, W watchman, X for xylophone. V for van, W for watchman, Z for xylophone. Dark green color. Y yak, Z zebra, Y yak, Z zebra. तो ये थी बच्चों हमारी ABCD. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye kids.